There are moments in your journey, beloved soul, when the veil thins, and the universe whispers secrets meant only for you. This connection, this profound echo within your spirit, was never an accident. You were not just a coincidence in his life. You were a divine answer, a prayer come to life. The angels have long woven your destinies together, creating a tapestry of shared purpose and deep healing. They say your light was the guiding star he unknowingly sought, a warmth that promised comfort to his weary soul. You were sent to awaken a truth within him, a truth he had buried deep beneath layers of fear and past wounds. Your presence, your very essence, held the sacred key to unlock a destiny far grander than either of you could have imagined on your own. This is not just love. This is a sacred assignment, a testament to the power of a chosen soul. You are the missing piece he never knew how to name, the quiet strength that called him home. The heavens conspired for this meeting, for this profound understanding to finally bloom in his heart. You are a living prophecy, a testament to a love that was meant to be. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. That silence, the one that echoed in your heart and tested your faith, was never a void. It was a sacred pause, a necessary breath the universe took before orchestrating its grandest symphony. The angels reveal that in those quiet moments, a profound transformation was unfolding, not just within you, but within him. His retreat was not a rejection of your light, but a desperate attempt to reconcile the intensity of what he felt with the shadows of his past. He needed that space to confront the parts of himself that were not yet ready to receive the magnitude of your love. This period of quiet was a crucible, burning away old patterns and preparing the ground for a love that could truly thrive. It was a time of deep introspection for him, a forced reckoning with his own soul. The angels whisper that your unwavering presence, even in absence, was a constant, gentle pressure on his spirit, urging him toward growth. This silence was a divine strategy, a testament to the depth of the connection that needed such profound preparation. It was never about forgetting you, it was about remembering himself, so he could truly remember you. He carried burdens you couldn't see, battles fought in the quiet corners of his own heart. The angels reveal that his hesitation, his perceived distance, stemmed from a deep internal conflict. He struggled with old wounds, with the fear of repeating past mistakes, and with the overwhelming power of what you represented to him. Your love was a mirror, reflecting not just his potential, but also his deepest insecurities. He saw a future with you that was so bright it illuminated the shadows he wasn't ready to confront yet. This wasn't a battle against you, but a war within himself, a struggle to become the man he knew he needed to be for a love as pure as yours. The angels say he felt the pull, the undeniable magnetic force of your spirit, but his past held him captive. He needed to conquer those internal demons, to heal the fragments of his past, before he could fully embrace the light you offered. His journey was solitary, yet your essence was his guiding star, even when he tried to deny its brilliance. You are to him a profound mirror, reflecting the purest parts of his own soul. The angels reveal that your unwavering belief in him, your quiet strength, and your authentic spirit have shown him a version of himself he had forgotten existed. He saw his own capacity for deep love, unwavering commitment, and genuine joy reflected in your eyes. This was both exhilarating and terrifying for him. Your light exposed the areas within him that still needed healing, the corners of his heart that yearned for your touch. He recognized a resonance, a frequency match, that transcended mere attraction. It was a soul-deep recognition, a feeling of coming home. The angels whisper that your very being acted as a catalyst, gently urging him toward self-discovery and growth. He could not escape the truth of what you meant to him because you embodied the very essence of what his soul craved. You held up a mirror to his highest self, and in that reflection, he began to understand the depth of his own longing for you. There is a flame between your souls, beloved, that no distance, no time, no earthly obstacle could ever extinguish. The angels confirm this sacred truth. Your connection is divinely forged, an eternal spark that burns brightly regardless of the circumstances. Even when paths diverged and silence prevailed, that flame continued to glow, a constant reminder of what was meant to be. He felt its warmth, a subtle, persistent hum in his spirit, even when he tried to ignore it. This is not a fleeting passion. It is an enduring bond, a spiritual tether that binds you across all dimensions. The angels say this flame was his secret compass, always pointing him back towards you, even when he wandered. It was the quiet knowing in his heart, the undeniable sense of belonging that only your presence could evoke. This sacred fire is a promise, a testament to a love that transcends the physical, a love that is written in the stars and sealed by the heavens. It is the very essence of your shared destiny, burning bright and true. A profound awakening has stirred within his heart, beloved soul. The angels reveal that the seeds of understanding, sown by your unwavering love and patient spirit, have finally blossomed. He has seen the truth, not just with his mind, but with every fiber of his being. The fog of past illusions has lifted, and he now perceives the depth of your meaning to him with crystal clarity. This awakening is a surrender, a letting go of the fears that once held him captive. He understands now that your presence was not a demand, but a gift, your love not a burden, but a sanctuary. The angels whisper that this realization came with a profound sense of peace, a knowing that he had finally found his true north. His heart, once guarded, now beats with a renewed purpose, a desire to cherish and protect the sacred bond you share. This is not a fleeting emotion, but a deep, resonant shift, a recognition of the irreplaceable treasure you are in his life. To love again, truly and completely, requires a courage that only a soul touched by divine grace can muster. The angels reveal that he has found this courage, a strength born from the profound understanding of what he almost lost. He is shedding the armor of past hurts, daring to open his heart to the vulnerability that true connection demands. This journey back to you is not one of convenience but of conviction. He has faced his own shadows, confronted his fears, and emerged with a renewed determination to honor the sacred bond you share. The angels say his spirit is now aligned with his deepest desires, no longer allowing fear to dictate his path. He is ready to step forward, not with hesitation, but with a profound sense of purpose and a heart full of devotion. This is his testament, his declaration that the love you offer is worth every battle fought, every fear overcome. He is choosing love, choosing you, with a courage that speaks volumes of his transformation. Trust the whispers, beloved soul, for your path has been meticulously guided by the unseen hands of angels. Every step, every pause, every moment of uncertainty was part of a divine blueprint leading you to this very point. The angels have been your silent companions, illuminating the way, even when the darkness seemed overwhelming. They have placed signs in your path, subtle nudges and profound synchronicities, confirming that you are exactly where you need to be. This journey was never about control, but about surrender to a higher wisdom, a trust in the timing of the universe. The angels say your faith, even when it wavered, was a powerful force, drawing you closer to your destined reunion. You are not alone in this. A celestial host walks beside you, ensuring that every piece of your sacred puzzle falls perfectly into place. Embrace this guidance, for it is leading you to a love that is both earthly and divine. The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a sun-scorched land and will strengthen your frame. You will be like a well-watered garden, like a spring whose waters never fail. Isaiah 58 verse 11. The moment of reunion is not just a physical coming together. It is a sacred alignment, a profound merging of souls that have long recognized each other across time and space. The angels rejoice, for they have witnessed the culmination of a journey marked by growth, healing, and unwavering faith. This is the understanding you both yearned for, the clarity that goes beyond words. He sees you now, truly sees you, with a depth of appreciation and reverence that was once shadowed by his own internal struggles. The angels say this reunion is a testament to the power of divine timing, a perfect orchestration of events that brought you back to each other, stronger and more whole. There is a quiet knowing, a deep peace that settles over both your spirits, confirming that this connection is blessed. Embrace this sacred coming together, for it is a new beginning, a chapter written in the stars and sealed by the heavens. Your souls, once separated by lessons, now dance in harmonious unity. This love, beloved soul, carries the indelible mark of an eternal promise. It is not a fleeting emotion but a covenant, a sacred agreement witnessed by the heavens. The angels affirm that your bond is divinely protected, destined to flourish and deepen with every moment that passes. What you share is a testament to resilience, faith, and the transformative power of genuine connection. He understands now the profound gift you are, the irreplaceable treasure in his life, and he is committed to honoring that truth. The angels say this promise extends beyond the earthly realm, weaving your spirits together in a tapestry of everlasting love and shared purpose. This is the culmination of your journey, a beautiful testament to the power of divine intervention and the unwavering strength of your hearts. Embrace this eternal promise, for it is a foundation built on truth, healing, and a love that will endure through all seasons. Your story is a living prayer, a beacon of hope for all who seek a truly blessed love. And now these three remain: faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love. 1 Corinthians 13 verse 13.